nobody really explains this part, how real estate investors actually get paid. A lot of people hear about real estate investing and that there's so much money in real estate, but nobody's talking about the money part and how people are actually earning money on deals. In this video today, I'm going to be breaking this down very simply and plainly for you. Keep watching. So the biggest misunderstanding is that people think you can only get paid when you sell a property, and now we're just talking about residential properties. Yes, that is true for some deals, but not all, and that's where you can really start thinking a lot bigger and looking at every opportunity as a true opportunity. There are some deals out there that are made to pay you along the way where you don't have to wait until the end of a project or when a property sells to receive any type of compensation. I know that this can feel like a lot, especially if this is your first time hearing about this, which is exactly why I created the free guide. And this guide will walk you through step by step on how to invest even $50K. The link will be in the description below. So what do quarterly payouts actually mean? People hear dividends, distributions. There's so much language out there. So in my world, quarterly payments means you actually receive money back every 90 days. So from the time that a project starts, now everyone does that differently, but with us, when a project actually is fully funded, we will start the time clock from that date, and you will be notified of when that date is and that we've officially closed. So from there, 90 days later, you will receive your first quarterly payment. And that is also known as a preferred return. Now, with that preferred return, you would know those details before you even invest, because as you're signing the operating agreement and looking over your documents to be a part of the syndication, you'll see whatever that preferred return is, you'll know it well in advance. The beautiful thing about this is that it really is so hands-off and you don't have to deal with tenants, toilets, or even the construction. I feel like this is so important and it matters for you because you can get started with real estate investing a lot sooner than you actually think, and just looking for different opportunities, and not all opportunities are a one-size-fits-all. I also want you to walk away from this video knowing that you don't have to wait years to see actual gains and returns, and the minimum investment for some operators like myself are $25,000. It's not $100,000, it's not $200,000 or $250,000 or even $500,000. It's $25,000. This also matters for you because this process and the way that we structure opportunities makes it just a lot simpler and easier to understand. You don't have to worry about a thing. It's also a simple way to get started with real estate investing without having to deal with tenants, toilets, or any of the headaches that come along with being in real estate. Just remember that not all payouts are done the same. Just make sure you understand those terms, the conditions, all of the things before you make that initial investment with an operator. Some pay you out along the way and some don't. So just be mindful of that. Remember, we keep it simple over here. No tenants, no toilets. If you liked watching today's video, be sure to check out my next video, Where Money Goes in a Deal. I'll be providing a full breakdown. My name is Yasha Wells, and I help everyday people earn double-digit returns backed by real estate. Bye.